Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadeep. In today's video, we are going to explore the exciting world of real-time analytics and look at some powerful use cases and the architectures behind them. So what exactly is real-time analytics? Unlike traditional batch processing, which analyzes old data, real-time analytics processes data as it is generated. This allows us to gain insights and react to events in milliseconds or seconds, not hours or days. But why is this so important? In today's fast-paced world, the ability to take immediate action gives businesses a significant competitive edge. It allows companies to react to threats instantly, make smarter decisions, and ultimately provide a much better and more personalized experience for their users. Let's look at our first use case, fraud detection. When you make a credit card transaction, real-time systems analyze it instantly. They check your location, purchase amount, and spending habits against historical patterns. If something is unusual, the transaction can be blocked and an alert sent, all within milliseconds. Next up is IoT monitoring. Imagine a factory with thousands of sensors on its machines. These sensors constantly stream data like temperature and vibration. Real-time analytics can monitor this data, detect anomalies that might signal a future failure, and automatically trigger maintenance alerts, preventing costly downtime. And a very popular one, recommendation engines. When you're browsing Netflix or Amazon, your clicks and viewing history are captured as events. Real-time systems process these events instantly to update your taste profile and suggest new movies or products that you're likely to enjoy right away. So how do we build systems that can do all this? Let's look at the underlying architecture. We will explore two popular patterns, a powerful open-source stack and a widely used cloud-native stack from AWS. First, the popular open-source trio, Kafka, Flink, and Druid. Data from sources like applications or sensors flows into Apache Kafka, which acts as a distributed event log. Apache Flink then consumes this data in real time to perform complex processing and analytics. Finally, the results are stored in Apache Druid, a high-performance database optimized for fast queries, which then powers dashboards and applications. For those in the cloud, an AWS native stack is a great option. Here, AWS Kinesis is used to ingest and buffer the streaming data. It can trigger AWS Lambda functions, which provide serverless, event-driven compute to process each piece of data. The processed data can then be loaded into a data warehouse like Amazon Redshift for analysis and visualization by BI tools. Let's see what this looks like in code. This is a conceptual PyFlink snippet for a simple fraud detector. First, we define a source to read a stream of transactions from Kafka. Next, we apply transformations, in this case, filtering for transactions over a certain amount. Finally, we send these anomalies to a sink, which could be another Kafka topic for alerts, or a database for logging. This simple source, transform, and sink pattern is the foundation of most stream processing jobs. So let's quickly summarize. Real-time analytics is all about processing data as it happens. It's the engine behind many modern applications, like fraud detection and recommendation systems. Common architectures follow a three-step pattern: ingest, process, and serve. Whether you choose open-source tools or a cloud-native stack depends on your specific project needs. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, please hit the like button, share it with your network, and subscribe to the channel for more data engineering tutorials. See you in the next one.